We just got done with this 2024 GMC 3500 dually and it turned out great. We've done quite a bit of these new trucks. They always turn out fantastic. We did paint protection film on the front end to prevent rock chips. We did the ceramic coating on this black paint to really enhance that gloss and make it a lot easier to maintain and clean it when you do clean it. And not to mention the gloss levels, it's insane. We're gonna protect this truck from fading, oxidation, bug gut etching, bird droppings, rock chips on the front end, and we also did our full ceramic IR window tint to keep all the heat and the UV rays off of that and out of that interior. If we can help you out, give us a call at 334-547-4930 or swing by the shop at 1210 West Main Street. We'd love to help you out and protect your brand new vehicle, or if your vehicle is used, we can for sure do a paint correction on it prior to our coating and enhance that gloss. Don't worry about the scratches. We can get all those out if your vehicle is a few years old and has some love and some love marks on it. It's no problem whatsoever. We can take care of that prior to the coating. Come down and see us. We'll see you soon. Peace.